Hello dear students, welcome back. So let us continue the concept of binary operations. So in the today's class, let us see law of binary operations. Okay, so first law is commutative law. Already in the matrices chapter we have learned commutativity, associativity for the matrices. So for the binary operation we will learn commutative law and associative law. Okay, so commutative law for the binary operation, it is defined by a binary operation star on a set X is said to be commutative. So what is that? A binary operation star on a set X is said to be commutative if A star B equal to the B star A for all A comma B belongs to the X. So what commutative law says? A binary operation star on a set X is said to be commutative if A star B equal to B star A for all A comma B belongs to X. So A star B equal to B star A adra we can say that binary operation is commutative binary operation for all A comma B belongs to the set X. Given set na ಎರಡು belongs to ಇರಬೇಕು. Okay, example, show that addition plus from R cross R to the R and multiplication from R cross R to the R are commutative. We have to show that addition and multiplication on the set of real numbers are binary commutative binary operations. Okay, next, but subtraction and division are not commutative on set of real numbers. Okay, for the division R star is considered. R star is means non-zero real number, means excluding 0 from the set of real numbers, right? So let us see the solution. So first one is addition from R cross R to the R. Okay, so let us consider two numbers. Let for all A comma B belongs to the set of real numbers. This is defined as A star B, means the operation is in the place of star operation is plus A plus B. So this we can write as a B plus A. So that is specific example, 3 comma 5 belongs to the set of real numbers. 3 plus 5 equal to 5 plus 3, right? 8 is equal to the 8. Therefore plus is a binary operation on the set of real numbers. So therefore plus is binary commutative binary operation on set of real numbers, right? Next is multiplication. Okay, so see, multiplication from R cross R to the R. Okay, so let us consider, let for all A comma B belongs to the R, A into B is equal to the B into A. So this holds the commutative. Multiplication on the set of real numbers holds the commutative law. So let us consider two numbers. Let minus 2 and 5 belongs to the set of real numbers. So substitute it here. Minus 2 into 5 is equal to minus 10, and 5 into minus 2 is equal to the minus 10. So therefore minus 2 into 5 is equal to the 5 into minus 2. So therefore multiplication is commutative binary operation on set of real numbers. Okay, ಹೆಂಗೆ ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ? Take any two numbers from the set of real numbers. So commutative means a star b equal to b star a. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ರ? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪುಟ್ a into b equal to b into a. Generally I wrote here. So consider specific example. ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. a into b ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ನಂಬರ್ ಬರ್ರಿ. b into a ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ನಂಬರ್ ಬರ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಮ್ಯುಟೇಟಿವ್. ಕಮ್ಯುಟೇಟಿವ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ರೀ? a star b equal to b star a ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ minus from r cross r to the r. Okay, so minus from r cross r to the r, they said it is not a commutative binary operations. So directly I will consider two numbers. Let 3,5 belongs to the set of real numbers, right? So first I will do 3 minus 5 equal to the minus 2. Next 5 minus 2 equal to the 3. This implies 3 minus 5 is not equal to 5 minus 2. That is minus 2 is not equal to the 3. Therefore minus is not, subtraction is not a commutative binary operation on R, on a set of real numbers. So keep remember, these are the standard examples for the commutative law. Okay, so one more is division on R star. R star means set of non-zero real numbers. Okay, division from R star cross R star to the R star, right? So consider two numbers. They said this is also not a binary operations. Consider two numbers. Okay, let 3,5 belongs to the R star. Okay, 3 divides 5. T divided by 5 is equal to the, not equal to the 5 divided by 3, because 3 by 5 is not equal to 5 by 3, right? Therefore so division is not commutative binary operation on R star. R star is a set of non-zero real numbers, right? So dear students, and this is about the commutative law. Okay, so what? Addition and multiplication are commutative on the set of real numbers, and division and subtractions are not commutative on the set of real numbers. Keep remember, these are the very standard examples. Okay, right. See the next question. Example 35. Show that star from R cross R to the R defined by A star B is equal to the A plus 2B is not a commutative law. We have to show that this is not a commutative binary operation. Okay, so let us see the solution. Star from R cross R to the R and A star B equal to the A plus 2B, right? So whenever they will said to show that this is not a commutative, so in that case consider a particular numbers from the given set. So given here set of real numbers, I will consider two numbers. Let 2,3 belongs to the set of real numbers, right? So put in this A star B is equal to, that is 2 star 3 equal to the A plus 2 into B is 3. This is 2 plus 6 equal to the 8, right? Now B star A, that is 3 star 2. So means this is in the place of A 3 is there, in the place of B 2 is there. So this is 3 plus 2 into, in the place of B 2 is there, therefore 3 plus 2 into 2 is 4, this is 7. So therefore 2 star 3 is not equal to 3 star 2. Therefore star is not commutative binary operation on set of real numbers. So just A star B equal to B star A we have to find, then we have to show that A star B is not equal to B star A. So it is enough to say that this is not a commutative law on the set of real numbers. Okay. Second law, associative law. So associative means already we know, so we need at least 3 elements for the association. Okay, so what is associative law on the binary operation? Okay, a binary operation star from A cross A to the A is said to be associative, if A star B bracket star C is equal to A star B star C bracket for all A, B and C belongs to the set A on the set A. So a binary operation star from A cross A to the A, or else a binary operation star on the set A is said to be associative if A star B bracket star C is equal to the A star bracket B star C. Okay, we have to show this for the associative law. So for any problem, if you showed that A star B star C equal to the A star bracket B star C, so then we can say it is a associative law. Okay, example, standard example, show that addition and multiplication are associative binary operation on R. Addition and multiplication are associative binary operation on R set of real numbers, but subtraction and division are not associative binary operation on set of real numbers. Okay, let us see the solution. On the set of real numbers, they said addition on the set of real numbers R cross R to the R. Okay, so addition is, that is A star B equal to the A plus B. In the place of star we have to take plus, addition. Okay, so let consider three numbers we have need. Let us consider 3 numbers. Let 2, 3, 4 belongs to the set of real numbers. Okay, first solve the LHS, that is 2 star 3 star 4 is equal to the 2 star 3. A star B is converted into A plus B, that is 2 plus 3 star we have to keep as it is 4. This is equal to 2 3 is 5 star 4. This is 5 plus 4 equal to the 9. Right, now this one 2 star 3 star 4 is equal to the 2 star as it is, 3 star 4 becomes 3 plus 4. This is equal to 2 star 3 plus 4 is 7. 2 star 7, this is 2 plus 7 is equal to the 9. So therefore we got it 2 star. Therefore 2 star 3 star 4 is equal to 2 star 3 star 4. Therefore star is, that is addition is associative on set of real numbers. Addition is associative on set of real numbers. Okay, very simple. Okay, now multiplication, right? Multiplication on the set of real numbers. Okay, so that is a star b is equal to the a into b. Multiplication we have to consider in the place of star, binary operation star. Okay, so let us consider, let 2, 3, 4 belongs to the set of real numbers. So first 2 star 3 star 4 is equal to the 2 star 3. A star b means a into b. 2 star 3 means 2 into 3 star 4. This is 6 star 4. 6 star 4 is 6 into 4. This is equal to the 24. Right? Now 2 star 3 star 4. This is equal to the 2 star 3 star 4 is 3 into 4. This is 2 star 12. 2 star 12 is 2 into 12. This is equal to the 24. Therefore 2 star 3 star 4 equal to the 2 star 3 star 4. Okay, so this implies a star b star c equal to a star b star c for all a, b and c belongs to the set of real numbers. Therefore star is associative binary operation on set of real numbers. So star is associative binary operation on set of real numbers, right? So addition and multiplication are associative binary operation on the set of real numbers. So let us see subtraction and division. What about the subtraction and division? However, subtraction and division are not a binary operation on the set of real numbers. So let us see the example. Okay, so however, subtraction and division are not associative on set of real numbers as see. So I will consider 8 minus 5 minus 3, that is 8 star 5 star 3. So this is not equal to the 8 star 5 star 3. See how it is not equal. 8 minus 5 star means here subtraction. 8 minus 5 star 3 not equal to 8 star 5 minus 3, right? 8 minus 5 is 3 star 3. This is not equal to the 8 star 5 minus 3 is 2. 3 minus 3, it will become 3 minus 3. This is not equal to 8 minus 2. So 0 is not equal to 6. So therefore subtraction is not associative on the set of real numbers. Similarly, so let us check for the division. And 8 star 5 star 3 is not equal to 8 star 5 star 3, right? That is 8 divided by 5 star 3 is not equal to the 8 star 5 divided by 3, right? So now 8 divided by 5 divided by 3. So division I am writing, okay, 8 star 5, 8 divided by 5 divided by 3. So 3 will come in the denominator, it will set in the denominator, that will become 8 divided by 15. This is not equal to, so now here 3 will come in the numerator, right? 8 into 3, 24 divided by 5. So therefore subtraction and division are not a binary, associative binary operations on the set of real numbers. Okay, right. So let us see the next question. Show that star from r cross r to the r given by a star b equal to a plus 2b is not associative. To show that this is not associative. Okay, so let us see solution. This star from r cross r to the r given by a star b equal to a plus 2b, right? So let us consider three numbers. Let 8, 5 and 3 belongs to the set of real numbers, right? We have to show that this is a not associative, means 8 star 5 star 3 is equal to the 8 star 5 means a star b equal to a plus 2b, that is 8 plus 2 into b is 5. Okay, star 3, this is 2 into 5 is 10, 10 plus 8 is 18 star 3, 18 star 3. So now 18 plus 3, sorry, 2 into b, 2 into b, this is 18, 2 into 3 is 6, 6 plus 18 is 24. Now 8 star 5 star 3 is equal to the 8 star 5 star 3 is 5 plus 2 into 3. Okay, 8 star 5, 2 into 3 is 6 plus 5 is 11. Okay, 8 plus 2 into 11, this is equal to 2 into 11 is 22, 22 plus 8 is 30. So therefore, so this is 24, this is 30, not equal. 8 star 5 star 3 is not equal to 8 star 5 star 3. Therefore star is not associative on set of real numbers, right? Okay, see the next question, question number 4 from the exercise. Consider a binary operation star on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 given by the following multiplication table. So they only given already the binary operation table, and we have to compute 2 star 3 star 4 and 2 star 3 star 4. Is star commutative? I have to check. Commutative, compute 2 star 3 star 4 star 5, right? See 1 solution. First one is compute 2 star 3 star 4, this is equal to 2 star 3 ಹೆಂಗೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್, yes, 2 star 3, this is the element, so this is the result, that is 1 star 4. Next 1 star 4, 1/4, this is equal to the 1. Next 2 star 3 star 4, okay, that is 2 star 3 star 4. So first we need 3 star 4 bracket, we have to solve. 3 star 4, 3 star 4, this is 3 star 4, 2 star 3 star 4 is 1, 2 star 1, 2 star 1, okay, is equal to the 1. Therefore from these two we can conclude that star is associative. Star is associative, right? Next, so is star commutative? They asked the question. Second one, yes, star is commutative. See here why it is commutative. Let us check. 1 star 1 is 1, 1 star 1 is again 1, 1 star 2, 1 star 2 is 1, right? 2 star 1 is 1. So like that we can see star is commutative, right? Next, compute this. Third one, that is 2 star 3 star 4 star 5 is equal to 2 star 3. First see, 2 star 3 is 1 star 4 star 5, 4 sorry ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. 4 star 5, this is 4 star 5 1. Next, 1 star 1 is 1. So I have computed this all results. Okay, so I will continue remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.